Premier League Match Week 28, Wolves vs Everton. Wolves look to secure their Premier League status as they host and inform Everton at Molineux. Sitting 5 points above the drop zone, Wolves need a win to stay safe. Meanwhile, Everton, unbeaten in 7 under David Moyes, aim to climb the table. Match details: date: March 8, 2025. Time: 3 p.m. Eastern Time, 2000 Greenwich Mean Time. Venue: Molineux Stadium. Watch live on NBC, US, TNT Sports 1, UK, Peacock, Discovery Plus, Fubo TV.